Good morning. This is a special live. I'm asking Mark Elliott Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, to help me out because I don't know how to contact, and I think it's a long way to reviving my Facebook account. The reason why I'm doing this live in English, because even though my English is still my second language, but there's a lot of my information, my memories and history was in those two pages or two accounts. First account is Pita Pua, that's my previous old account, and the other account is Pita Pua. I haven't used fake pages, and I haven't threatened someone or the thing is unfair to me because the content inside my two accounts, it's belong to me. All my live videos, I was making some groups and save all my work there, save all my album in Pita Pua page. There's a lot of history there. My kid's first birthday, my oldest child now, Asena, it's 12 years old. From their first birthday till now, is all on that page. And my daughter Celia, first birthday, it's in that page, in that account, Pita Pua. I need someone to help me out. I'm not a person that love writing, like the formal complaint and all this. There's some people, they love to write. I'm not a writing person. I love to talk. And that's why I'm making this special video, or special live, and asking Mark Elliott Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, please, I'm begging you. If you deleted my two pages, two old pages, Pita Pua and Pita Pua page, at least you were writing on the day you deactivate my page. It's irreversible. It can't reverse your decision. And the thing is, you're asking for the identity that I am the owner of those two pages. And I sent the Facebook my driving license, my Queensland, Australia driving license. After I send my driving license as my identity, my identification, then the page deactivated and deleted. But I sit down sometimes and thinking all the content of my two pages. It's very, very important to my family. That's why I'm making this special live. I need someone working on Facebook. If you listen to this one, I don't accusing you, and you have the right for this, and I'll share this story. The reason why I put all my work on Facebook, because I thought it's gonna stay on Facebook for life. So my descendant come after me, my children, my grandchildren, and my great-grandchildren will know what kind of great-grandfather or their forefather like to be. Because they will look at the videos and the live, they look at the history. I have a group that I create, and I put all my knowledge and family trees and everything in there. Just me and my wife is in that group. And I thought it's gonna be staying there for life. Maybe my great-grandchildren will find someone will interest in history. They will write some book about the content of that group that I put all my work in there. All my life, I thought it's gonna stay on Facebook for life. So my grandchildren and great-grandchildren will grow up and listen what type of their forefather being liked. I'm begging for Facebook, please. Anyone working on Facebook, and that's why I put this special live for Mark Elliott, Zuckerberg. Please, I need the content of all all the content on my Facebook page, Pita Pua and Pita Pua. I have live there for about almost 300 live, and none there been swearing to anyone. None there been swearing to anyone. The reason why I'm doing this one in English, because I need someone to hear me out. I've been trying in Tongan language, because I know there's some Tongan working on Facebook, and I hope there is not a Tongan who doing this work on Facebook to deactivate 2 of my pages because of their political belief. There is millions of fake pages in Facebook, and I get some threatened to kill and injure me or doing something to my family. And I still see those pages still working well and still on Facebook. I never been threatened anyone. I never been swearing to anyone on my pages. But they deactivated it. I'm asking to any of the people on Facebook, or the owner of the Facebook, or the family of the Facebook, of the owner of the Facebook, if you listen to what I'm asking, if you take off, because I saw some writing when you deactivate my page, you said you put all the content of my pages to something to download it, and I never heard from you guys anymore. I need the content, the history of my work, the history of my family. There's a lot of history on those 2 pages of Facebook. I think I'm creating my first Pita Pua Facebook in 2009. I think in 2009. It's about 12 years. All the work in 12 years, I put old photos of my family in that Facebook. It's all gone. But I don't know where to turn. I don't like writing. I have more important things to do, but I think when I'm doing this, I hope someone on Facebook will listen to what I ask. If you deactivate that page, I need the content of my 2 pages. I need all my lives, because I don't know where's my right for all the things I put on Facebook. I really need it for my family history. I hope, and I think the Tongan knows, I'm the first one. I was the first one who using this platform, Facebook, to doing preaching, to doing live. Before they using live on Facebook, I just used to recording and upload. I remember back in the days, you can't do uploading, you can't uploading more than 15 minutes. So I limit all my video to about 12, 13, not over 15 minutes, so I can upload it to Facebook. Live was coming after that. But I'm asking, if you, the owner of Facebook, Mark Elliott, Zuckerberg, listen to what I'm asking. If you don't want to activate my page again, so I can access to it. And the sad thing is, when I swap my page to Pita Pua, I give Pita Pua to my daughter, so can using that Facebook Messenger, so we can. I give her a phone when she's away from home, or I am away from home. When they want to contact me, they contact me on Messenger. But once you deactivate, because I don't want my daughter to have her own page, I want her to own my own page, so I can manage to watch what she's doing on Facebook or internet. So I can screen what she's doing, who she's talking to. These are the benefit and the good thing about Facebook. And since we're using that as in good ways, people use Facebook in a bad ways, using threatening people and swearing at people, and those pages is still on. But I use this platform for positive energy, doing preaching, doing advising, bring some history to life again. The descendant of your family. I'm doing that on Facebook. And this is what I get. I hope it isn't done by Tongans who are working on Facebook. That we have different political view according to our Tongan community. I hope it's not that. And that's why I don't want to go on that level, because they can cover each other. I want to go higher level. That's why I'm asking straight to the owner of Facebook. Someone can connect this video. Sorry if you don't understand my English. That's my second language. But I try my best. So someone can listen to what I ask. I need my 2 old accounts that been deactivated. I don't have fake page to use it to threaten people and swear at people. I don't have that. It's not in my blood. Those 2 pages, that's me. And I creating this page, this account, Pita Pua Senior. But I need some people to help me. If you still deactivate, because you writing, Facebook write to me their decision to deactivate those 2 accounts, it irreversible. So you can't, your decision is final. And if that is your decision, I'm begging you guys, I'm begging you Facebook, I need the content of all content. I think I am entitled to ask for it, and you can have your Facebook, and I can use another platform to save the content of my work that I put on Facebook, and I thought it's gonna stay there for life. So the descendant of mine, my grandchildren, and my great-great-great-great-grandchildren will see how their forefather doing. I think sometimes you write to them, they never respond. Every time they block me, I write to them, they never respond. When they block me to post to anywhere, people complain. Facebook never respond to any of my writing to them and complain. But I know someone will listen to me. If you guys sharing this, and I will download this and upload it on YouTube, this video. So maybe some people on YouTube will listen to this one. I don't wanna argue with Facebook. I'm nothing. I don't have money to ask a legal advisor to do the work for me. I don't have that money. Even though I work hard on Facebook and this platform, but I don't have that money to asking legal people to help me out with this, to bring the content of my two account back. Why don't we asking straight to the people who own Facebook? They can access to it. They have all the access to get the content of my two pages, the Pita Pua pages and Pakakolekole Pua pages. And I know my daughter is missing that because I'm not allowing her to using Facebook. That is the only Facebook I allow her to use, the Pakakolekole Pua, because that's my old page. So I can contact with her and screening her what she is doing on Facebook. I can access to it anytime and see what she's doing there. By the way, we asking God, please help me, help Facebook. I need the content, or they can activate my page so I can operate it. A lot of people have 10 pages, 20 pages, fake pages, and they do worse. They threaten people, they swear at people. Those pages are still on. They still have all the content they friended people. Facebook never been deactivate those pages. I did all the good thing I can do. And they deleted those two pages between months, about 2 months between each other when they deactivate those two pages. But that's why I'm doing this special live. I asking Facebook, please, I need the content of all the content in my two account, Pita Pua and Pakakolekole Pua pages. Thank you.